Here in this video, we will show you how to change MySQL root password in WHM. If we are using WHM server and if we would like to change the MySQL's root password, then in that case, first of all, log into your WHM root and then go to SQL Services section. Now from here, go inside MySQL root password. Now from this page, you can change your MySQL's root password very easily. You simply need to type any password, repeat the same password and then click over change password. In this way, now your MySQL's root password is changed successfully. Please note that by default, MySQL root password is set to a random string. You should set this to something that is very hard to guess. You do not need to remember this password unless you plan to connect manually to MySQL as a root user. This will take some time and then your MySQL's root password will be changed successfully. If you are looking for a reliable and experienced web hosting provider, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you.